Hey penny pinchers, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. This is your glamorous penny pincher Shalomie, and today I'm coming to you with some beautiful items that I created to spruce up my bedroom. So if you want to see how I accomplished this, just keep on watching. This video is sponsored by Cricut, so the first thing that I'm doing is going to my Cricut design space in order to create the letters I want to put on my project. From here I will type the words in that I will be using for my project, and in this case it's "Let's Sleep In." After typing my words in, I'm going to go ahead and choose a font. And in this Cricut workspace, oh my goodness, the options are limitless. You can either search by sliding down the page, or you can type it in. In this case, I knew I wanted to use the Savoy font, so I typed it in, and there we have it. In order to see what it will look like on my mirrors, I am going to go ahead and choose a shape, which is in a square, as a background, just like so. I'm going to go ahead and put the measurements in of the actual mirror that I'm using so that I have the correct sizing. From here, I'm going to go ahead and change the color of the words to white so that it shows up once I move it over to the square. Here you can see that it's behind the square, so I'll just go ahead and move that to the front, just like so. Now I'm sizing it to make sure that it's proportionate to the actual mirror, and here I'm putting all three letters on separately because I'm putting them on different mirrors. Now that I have the correct font that I want and my measurements are correct, I'm going to go ahead and just remove the squares from behind the letters so that we can move on to our next step. Now I'm moving it on to the Cricut mat to ensure again that my sizes are correct and that I will select enough vinyl to put my words on before cutting. I will be using this black high gloss vinyl, which is absolutely beautiful, and here you'll see me just putting it on the actual Cricut mat to ensure that the measurements that I did in the design center matches here. And once I've done that, I'm cutting it and we are ready to go. Once I've measured and cut my vinyl, I place it back on the Cricut mat, and here you'll see me feeding it into the Cricut machine, and once it's ready, it's as easy as hitting the start button and it will start to cut my letters. Once my letters are cut, it's time for a very fun part, which is reading the words out. And here you'll see that I have a weeding tool, and I am carefully just removing the vinyl to separate it from the actual word. And guys, it is so gratifying to see it come to life. After weeding, I grab my transfer tape and I'm just going to take the backing off of it and place it fully over my word. After adding the transfer tape, I am going to go ahead and use my little tool. And this is to ensure that the word bonds to the transfer tape seamlessly. At this point, I'm just going to go ahead and lift the transfer tape and ensure that the word is bonded to it properly. There we go. Do you see how those letters are coming up on the transfer tape? That is exactly what you want to see. Quick, simple, and easy. Now, isn't this beautiful? Now let's move on to the final step. For this project, I'm using some leftover mirrors from the dollar store. I've had them for quite some time and thought it was perfect for this project. Now for the final step, I am placing the word with the transfer tape in the center of the mirror. Again, I'm going to use my friend to ensure that it's adhered to the mirror, just like so. And I'll do it for just a little bit more before I attempt to remove the transfer tape. And this is where we get excited, guys. Take a look at that. Slowly but surely, you want to make sure that it's down. There you go. Absolutely amazing. And what we have here is transfer perfection. Isn't that gorgeous? Guys, I love this slogan so much that I decided to also do it on a pillow. Now I use the same steps with the Cricut machine, except for this material is iron-on. Now for this project, I'm using an old pillow cover that I've had for a while, and here you can see me using the Cricut press to remove the wrinkles. Now I've selected silver glitter iron-on material to do this project. I have a video with full tutorial of how to do the iron-on using the Cricut machine, and I will insert that for you and provide you a link in the description box below. After centering my words and the heart on the pillow cover, I am now using the easy press. I have it set at 350 degrees, and I'm just going to slide it slowly over all the words to ensure that it is securely adhered to the pillow cover. And here we are, guys. Now let's start slowly peeling it back to see how our design turned out. Trust me, guys, this is so gratifying to see your design coming to life right before your eyes. And this is what it looks like. Now let's go ahead and do some styling. As I said earlier, guys, I did these pieces from my bedroom. So here you can see our beautiful pillow on my bed in the very center. Check out that sparkle. It is absolutely gorgeous. Check out the heart. Isn't that beautiful? We're just going to go ahead and glide up the wall, and there you have it, our beautiful pieces. What I did, guys, was I added 2 hearts on the end just to create a balance, but it turned out absolutely gorgeous, and I truly love this project. You can see the mirrors. They are identical to the mirrors that I have on the sides of my bed, which made this project that much more fun for me to do. The possibilities are endless using the Cricut Explore Air 2. Guys, I'll be bringing you more videos on how to spruce up your home, so please look out for that. This is all I have for you today, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. I sure hope you enjoyed this quick, easy, and beautiful DIYs. Leave me a comment in the comment section below and let me know which one was your favorite. And if this is your first time seeing my channel, welcome. I really do appreciate you stopping by and clicking on this video. And I would love for you to become a part of the Penny Pincher family by hitting the subscribe button below. And make sure you hit that notification bell also. That way you are the first to know when I upload new videos. My lovely penny pinchers, you know how I feel. Love you, love you, love you. Until the next video, this is your Glamorous Penny Pincher Shalomie saying bye-bye.